New Zealand's ECE system covers children up to age 5 and is guided by the Te Wariki curriculum, a groundbreaking framework woven around strands of well-being, belonging, contribution, communication, and exploration. Rather than a rigid syllabus, Te Wariki gives centers flexibility to design programs that suit local communities and reflect Maori and Pacifica cultural values. From a science and technology standpoint, ECE focuses on play-based exploration. Children observe natural phenomena, manipulate objects, and use simple digital tools. The underlying philosophy is that curiosity and problem-solving habits must start early, not just formal science classes later on. Government subsidies make 20 hours per week of ECE free for 3- and 4-year-olds. Quality standards ensure that qualified teachers plan learning experiences that seed early numeracy, literacy, and technology awareness. For example, many centers introduce children to tablets for drawing or storytelling, or simple robotics kits like B-bots to teach sequencing and cause-and-effect thinking. The NCEA system emphasizes not just end-of-year exams but also internal assessments, projects, portfolios, and practical tasks. This benefits science and computer technology because students can demonstrate skills by building prototypes, analyzing data, or coding apps. The New Zealand Qualifications Authority, NZQA, maintains quality and moderation. Equity is a central theme. Programs target rural schools, low-income communities, and Maori and Pacifica students to ensure access to science labs, devices, and qualified teachers. At the tertiary level, New Zealand has 8 universities, several institutes of technology and polytechnics, IDPs, recently unified under Te Pukenga, and Wananga, which are Maori-led tertiary institutions. All are state-funded but operate autonomously. Universities such as Auckland, Otago, and Canterbury are internationally ranked for research and teaching, especially in environmental science, agriculture, earthquake engineering, and computer science. Degrees follow the Anglo model: 3-year bachelor's, then postgraduate certificates, master's, and PhDs. Science faculties cover everything from pure mathematics to biomedical science. Computing schools offer majors in software engineering, data science, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, human-computer interaction, and computer graphics. Weighted digital success in film VFX has spurred interest in graphics and simulation. Polytechnics focus more on applied skills, IT support, network administration, web development, laboratory technology, or engineering trades. Many programs include work-integrated learning and apprenticeships with industry. Wananga deliver programs grounded in Maori knowledge systems but increasingly incorporate modern science and technology to support Indigenous self-determination in fields like environmental management, health, and digital media. Thanks for watching US. Stay connected our community.